OneNote is a fantastic application that allows you to take notes. So if you are in a meeting or something like that, or you're visiting a site where you need to take notes, then you can do that in OneNote, and it allows you to take notes digitally rather than in a notebook. Now, the reason you might want to do that is because this allows you to share those notes with other people. It allows you to search on those notes that you've made previously by typing in search terms, and that will search on the words that you have written down. It also allows you to view the notes on multiple devices. So if you have a tablet, a phone, a laptop or something like that, then you can search on those notes on multiple different devices. So here I've got 3 notebooks. I've got a team site notebook, which here it says it's shared, and that's shared with my colleagues. I've got Introduction to Teams, which is a notebook I'm going to show you in a few moments. And then I've got my own notebook. This is my notebook that is private to me, that I take my own notes down. So if I click on Introduction to Teams, that will open the notebook on my device. And now you can see the notebook is open. On the left, these are essentially the chapters within your notebook, if you like, and items discussed here. These are the pages, and these are the individual pages within that particular notebook. So if this is a customer notebook, something like that, or customer OneNote, you might have all your customers down the left here, or it might be a notebook for projects or sales meetings or accounts meetings, board meetings, company meetings, and those sorts of things. So here I've got one called Teams Intro, and in that I've got an items discussed. Now, when you're in the notebook here, you can type to take notes. You can type your words here. Type words here. What you can also do, if you've got a touchscreen device and you have a pen like this, is you can write and take notes by writing instead. And sometimes that's easy if you're speaking with somebody. Rather than typing on a keyboard, you can use your pen and write like you would in a notebook. Now, once you have written those notes, what you can do is highlight them, click on copy, and paste words only. And what that will, or paste text only. And what that will do, whatever you've written by hand, it will paste the text. You need to write neatly. If you've got joined up and you write really fast, joined up letters and you write really fast, sometimes the text gets a little bit confused. You just need to read over it and just correct it wherever necessary. So this is OneNote. I'm using the web browser version currently. There are other versions as well. So you can have an installable version, which is provided by Microsoft Office or via Windows 10. There's also a version on your mobile phone, which you can download, and I'll show you in a few moments. So you can use this on multiple devices. So moving down to the customer notes here, I've got customer A, which if I click on that, that will open that particular chapter, if you like, within this notebook. And I've got today we spoke about product A, product B and C, and delivery times were agreed for 6 weeks' times, and I've got all the follow-up meetings here. Now, again, if I've got this shared with my team, my colleagues can see these notes as well, which is really useful because if they go visit the customer subsequent to my visit, they can take their notes, and then I can see what they've written. And then they've got a nice continuity of information. Again, all this stuff is searchable. If I click on customer B, that will open that particular area of this notebook. And here we've taken some photographs of this particular customer's site. And then we've got project, we've got sales meetings as well. And these notes really do build up over time. You can have audio recordings in here, audio transcription. So you can dictate and say things into your microphone and it will put that into words. And that is a really useful feature. And just to demonstrate, this is available to me on my mobile phone as well. So I'm going to pull my mobile onto the screen so you can see that here. Now this is the OneNote, the same OneNote as what you're looking at on the left. So I've got Teams Intro, Customer A, Customer B. So if I click on Customer A, and then click on Customer A here as well, then you can see Discuss Requirements. If I click on that, then exactly the same notes as what I've got on my phone is what I've got on my screen. So if I type something on my phone, you can see that it's actually typing on my screen as well.